pushing buttons and it's got me on my mind. I gotta watch my weight because the leaner made me slide. So I got the pounds and fucking bitches off a fine. And I know my wrist is sloppy, everything I got designed.
The pirate pistol coming to Fortnite. Okay, let me see what this looks like. Let me try pulling this up. Let's look at this. What the heck is this? A pirate pistol. I mean, it's pretty much a revolver. They're literally bringing back the revolver. Yeah, that's just a revolver. Maybe, actually though, it looks more like a Magnum, so maybe they updated the 6-shooter. But it looks like a revolver. It's probably just gonna be a reskinned revolver that's a little better. Because it's kind of bad, like, it was good for headshots, but... I mean, I'm excited. I don't know, I like new guns as long as they're not too crazy, you know?
We'll wait and see. The pirate pistol kind of sounds like fucking revolver.
Hey, how many more HP? 20 HP?
Alright, he's one shot, Marcel.
Take it in? No. We're getting in. No, he's one hit.
Yes!
We did it!
Yes, dude! Yes! That looked so funny from my perspective, you just bounced off of him. Let's go.
In the diner?
Can I gift you 100 subs?
Really, right here? This guy doing it.
Oh my god!
Let's go!
I was so high, dude!
Oh my god.
Oh, heavy sniper, GG, man. Out of my game you go, buddy.
What?
Oh,
What? Wait.
I wanna get double gel, dude.
Alright.
Can we get double gel?
Yeah, you ready? Oh.
Alright, 3, 2, wait.
Oh, no.
3, 2,
3,
1, go. Easy!
Easy, dog. Yeah.
Alright, here's a clip chat. Book it on the gram. Book it on the gram. You book this one on the gram. Wait. Yeah, I got it. Let's go! Book it on the gram. This is the most delayed kill feed ever.
It's 2v2. Yeah, it's 2v2. They're together up there.
I'm trying to reload my heavy sniper real quick. How much mask do you have?
120 metal, 90 wood. Got one.
Oh.
I'm a fucking god, oh my god.
Where about it? Let's Chap, you're so fucking good. What was that?
I fucking quickscoped that kid in the head.
I know, dude. What the fuck?
I got ultimate light. 37. That's going on. Crack this guy for 100.
Guy right below me.
This guy.
Oh, there's 3 down here, alright.
JD! In this builder right here. Courage.
Wait! What was that? I dropped my shotgun! I didn't realize I dropped my shotgun! Oh my god!
It worked.
That kid's so mad! I didn't realize it in my shotty. Wow, in the heat of all that, I dropped it.
Let's see. You ready? Tell me when.
Almost ready and go. We're cheating.
Yo, nobody clipped that. It was for scientific purposes. I love Fortnite. Oh, I'm so good. I can edit.
I shouldn't be alive, bro.
Game is fucked.
We coming for you, boy. Yeah, you better keep flying. No more geysers over here, Chief. No more geysers over here, Chief.
He's getting desperate.
This kid's gonna one-pop me. I can feel it. He's killing him. Oh, I called it! I felt the one pump from a mile away, chat.
That my kid's at the diner too.
No, I'm in here. Oh, are you safe? Come hit the chug with me at the same time.
Oh God.
Come here. What do you need?
Tim, why would you break that? What are you doing? Why would you?
This is my fault. For because of me.
Why would you break that?
I didn't mean to, Cloak. I didn't mean to swing and then to put the wall
I'm
up.
in
So
a
I
one
did
by
but I didn't have my
one.
wall.
You swing the one
You
by
were
one.
not in a one by
Yes,
one.
I was.
You had two walls up. That's all you had was 2 walls.
You walk up, you break it, and then the dude just pumps me in the mouth.
You're good, kid. Hit your shot. Look at that's the person fighting Ninja. That guy.
Yeah.
He just threw his iPad out the window. Sometimes, dude, it's like I don't think I should be taking that damage there.
You know what's funniest? My last bit dono is, can't wait to see some Tim damage, and I literally said, yeah, you know it's coming, and that just happened.
Okay, guys.
That was literally 60 seconds ago.
Alright, go ahead. Why does this work?
This is too much Minecraft and there's people right Terry's. Dude, this is so stupid.
They're in there.
Hey, what's up, boy?
What's up, fellas? Just rotate. You guys got a quad. You don't want my balls broke, and I'm stuck. That actually sucks.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. That's on me. That's literally on me.
I just ripped it. Oh, behind you, behind you.
I know. I knew that kill, man.
No, you're good. You did a lot of damage. You're not getting storm surge.
Alright, I have 3 kills. There's no way I'm getting storm surged. Lightning bolt hit me.
He said, ah! Oh, Reaper's the funniest, bro. He's so good.
You can chill on the fucking zip line and just shoot down. I'm doing it. Knock. Kill. Fucking amazing, dude. He's one shot. Knock. Game, baby! Let's go! Might be on 200 ping, but let's go. 4 kills right there. 4 RPGs.
Yeah, yeah.